First of all, the most important thing is that you have to know the difference between x plus x and x times x. X plus x means add two x's together, so you would get 2x. But x times x means times two x's together, and this gives us x squared. This is actually just another way of writing x times x to make it quicker. You need to remember that. With these questions, I'm going to go through very quickly without writing any answers down. I'm then going to stop and ask you to pause and write the answers down yourself, and you can then check them. So, x plus 5x is 1x add 5x, that would be 6x. 3x plus 7x would give me 10x. 6x minus x is 6x minus 1x, which would be 5x. 4x minus 3x would give me 1x. I don't need to write the 1, I can just write x. 7y plus 2y would be 9y. X times 5x would be 5x squared. 3x times 7x, I would do 3 times 7, which is 21, and x times x is x squared, so it would be 21x squared. 6x times x would be 6x squared. 4x times 3x, I would do 4 times 3, which is 12. X times x is x squared, so it would be 12x squared. 7y times 2y, I would do 7 times 2, which is 14, and y times y, which is y squared, so it would be 14y squared. Now press pause. Write the answers down, and when you are ready to check them, press play again. These are the answers you should have written down. This one is in red because you need to remember not to write 1x, but just to write x. Check your work. These types of questions are a little bit longer and take a little bit more time to do, but they are very popular on exams. What I'm going to do is do the first two for you, then ask you to press pause and do the second two, then you can check your answers. So, on this one, I've got 5x minus 2x. That gives me 3x. I've got to put creatures that are the same together, so I put the x's together. Then, I've got plus 3y minus 7y. All together, that gives me minus 4y. If I do the next one as well, I've got 6x plus 3x, that will give me 9x. If I now look at the y's, I've got minus 4y plus 9y, and that will give me plus 5y. Now press pause and try the other two. When you're ready to check your work, press play again. So the answers are 3y minus 2y is y. Remember not to write 1y. Minus 2x plus 7x is going to give me plus 5x. And the next one, 7x plus x gives me 8x. And then minus 3y minus 2y gives me minus 5y. We're now going to have a look at expanding brackets and simplifying. If you need to review how to expand brackets, please see clip number 58. On this page, I'm going to do the first two, then I'm going to stop and tell you to press pause so that you can try the third one. You can then check your answer. The first thing we need to do is expand the bracket. So 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 1 gives me plus 4. I now need to do the second bracket. I've got plus 2 times 3x, which gives me plus 6x, and I've got plus 2 times plus 2, which gives me plus 4. All together then, I've got 4x plus 6x, which is 10x, and I've got plus 4 plus another 4, which gives me plus 8. Looking at the next one, I've got 2 times 4x, which is 8x, and 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. For the second bracket, I've got minus 2 times x, which is minus 2x, and I've got minus 2 times plus 4, which is minus 8. Putting that all together, I've got 8x minus 2x, which gives me 6x, and I've got minus 2 minus another 8, which will give me minus 10. Now press pause and try the third question. When you're ready to go through the answer, press play. So, the answer you should have got is 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times plus 1 is plus 5. Now we've got plus 2 times x, which is plus 2x, and we've got plus 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. Now putting it all together, I've got 10x plus 2x, so that's 12x, and I've got plus 5 minus 2, which is plus 3. We're now going to look at multiplying. I'm going to do the first one and then ask you to do the second one. When we multiply, we need to multiply the numbers first. So we've got here 2 and we've got 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Then we need to look at the letters. I'm going to do the x's first. So I've got x squared times another x. Because I've got 2 there and 1 there, I've got x cubed, 3 altogether. Now I'm going to look at the y's. I've got a y here and a y here. That's 2 altogether, so it's y squared. Now press pause and try the second one yourself. Press play when you're ready to go through it. So we multiply the numbers. 5 times 4 gives me 20. X cubed times x squared gives me x to the power of 5. Make sure you've not written x to the power of 6. We've got 3 and 2, so we've got 5 altogether. Y squared and y is going to be y cubed. 3 of them, 2 there and 1 there. Now we're on the review section. Press pause and try this page. When you're ready to see the answers, press play. So you should have got 9x, 8y squared, 14x, and x. Press pause again and try these. Press play when you're ready for the answers. So we put the 4x and the plus 3x together and get 7x. We put the plus 2y and the minus y together to get plus 1y, which we write as plus y. Don't put in the 1. On this one, we've got 5x plus 2x, which is 7x. And we've got minus 3y minus 4y, which is minus 7y. Now press pause and try these. When you're ready for the answers, press play. So, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times plus 1 is plus 3. Plus 5 times 3x is plus 15x, and plus 5 times plus 2 is plus 10. Putting it together, 3x plus 15x is 18x, and plus 3 plus 10 is plus 13. 3 times 4x is 12x, and 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and minus 2 times plus 4 is minus 8. Putting it together, 12x minus 2x is 10x, and minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11. On the last one, 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. Putting it together, 10x minus 2x is 8x, and minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. This is the last bit. Press pause, try them, and press play when you're ready for the answers. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, x squared multiplied by x is x cubed, and y multiplied by y is y squared. So our answer is 6x cubed y squared. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, x squared multiplied by x squared is x to the power of 4, and y squared multiplied by y is y cubed. So our answer is 10x to the power of 4 y cubed.